I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but I know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature. Yeah, so it's 6:02 and I'm here. What the heck? Focus on me. I changed the mode on accident. It's supposed to be focusing on me. I do that. I think I did this. You can cancel the switch between. Okay. Yeah, but as y'all can see, it's only 6:02. And I left the house at 5:59. She lives right there. So we about to go head upstairs. Get our hair done. I'm doing pink. I'm doing a pink wig. This tripod kind of embarrassing and long, but whatever. The other one, like, it hurts my hand, so I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm starving too. But whatever. I'm vlogging on my phone and on my camera, so we good. Yeah, I dropped my key in my purse. Now we off to go upstairs to a hair appointment. Wait, where's she at? I forgot which one she in. Yeah, I have pretty good memory. Once I come somewhere once, all I need is just once. Why it's not focusing on me? Focus on me. Yeah, once I come one place one time, that's all I need. I don't be needing like a whole thingy. Or not. I think I might get my bottoms redone, but I just texted because I don't like when my clients knock on the door. I'd rather them just text me they're here or whatnot. I'll be like, when I knock through the door. Hi. You ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow child. Lips, first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted. I'm kind of scared now.
This bright ass pink.
Yeah.
I like my favorite color is pink, but this shit bright as like neon.
Yeah. Cause I had did a light pink before and I was like, I don't want to do that again. I was like, let me try to go brighter. Crazy. My mom had said that to me. She's like, you sure you want to do that? I was like, you know what? Why not? I have nothing to lose. I didn't like. I mean, I could have did gray, but I feel like I want to do that more like in December or January.
Blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, you had always held back. You were, 'cause baby, it's the everything you need.
Girl. The Lacey question.
Exactly.